What's up, guys? So I first just want to start off by saying welcome to all of my new subscribers that came over from Tiny House Tours. If some of you did not know, my micro tiny house was filmed by Tiny House Tours. I think it was probably about 6 months ago, and the video finally came out. So a lot of my new subscribers came over from there, and I'm just, ecstatic about your comments. Your comments are so awesome and so wonderful, and I just want to say thank you. And you guys are great. Also, I just want to say, to kind of get yourself caught up, please go back and watch some of my previous and older videos, so you can kind of understand where I've been and where I've come from, and how I got to where I am now. So right now I am currently living in a camper that I purchased about a month ago, and I am renovating it. I don't know whether I'm going to continue to live in it after I finish the renovation, or if I'm going to flip it and sell it and then purchase another camper and continue to do that. But right now I think this is going to be the 6th renovation video. So I will link an iCard up here somewhere in the corner to the playlist, so you can go back and watch what previously this camper looked like before I did all of this renovation. I still am not done. I still have to do, last week I just finished the bathroom vanity, and then I still have the actual bathroom area where the toilet and shower is, and the bunk area in the back there. We have to do some kind of extensive renovations because there is some water damage on the floor back there. So I figured if we're gonna have to rip out the floor and redo that in that one spot, why not rip the whole thing out, right? And start over. I really want to expand the bathroom and make that area bigger and get rid of the bed that's back there altogether. So these are things that are still kind of up in the air. We're just going to play it by ear. That type of deal, I want to wait till Donnie gets here and helps me with that part of it. So that's gonna be put off for probably about another week or two, a couple more videos out, because he works during the week and he only comes out here during the weekends. But anyways, today's video is going to be about the flooring. I have, yesterday Amazon came. Actually, no, this was FedEx that delivered this. And I had purchased some sticky, I don't know what they call it. It's not linoleum, but I guess it's kind of linoleum. It's this stuff. The cheap, sticky, fake vinyl wood flooring. I didn't want to put a whole lot of money into this, and I was looking at, the more expensive interlocking wood floors and all that, but you all know me, I like to do things on a budget. So these were super cheap. It was like $40 and you get 24 square foot. So I wanted to get a dark colored to kind of, match this beam up here that I stained. And I couldn't quite find the exact color, with the budget I wanted to spend. So this was the closest I could find. That was the darkest. I did buy another one previously. They have these actually at Walmart, which I thought was pretty cool, but they only have a select different colors to choose from. So I got the darkest one there, and when I brought it back and laid it on the floor, I just didn't like it. It was too much of like blue and grayish tones in it, which is fine, and I like that, but not with this theme that I have going on here. I didn't want the bluish colors in there. So I returned that, and I bought these off of Amazon. If you guys are interested, comment down below, and I'll go on Amazon and send you the link. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. I was gonna wait till the end to do this because it makes more sense, but I have zero patience, and I want to put it down and see what it looks like because I'm excited and I'm bored. So that's what's happening today. So wish me luck. I've never done this before. Not this sticky kind. I've put other types of flooring down, but not this. And I'm a little nervous because the sticky stuff, I'm going to be honest, is kind of like, melted and seeping over the sides here. So the tops of the edges are really sticky. So after I do get this laid down, I'm probably going to have to go back over it with, I don't know, rubbing alcohol or vinegar or Glue Gun or something I don't know, because it's going to be hella sticky on the top, and we don't want any of that business going on. So yes, here we go. All right. All right, so here we go. The floor is nice and clean. Mopped it, wiped it down, and swept it. So hopefully there's no more little pieces of debris. Oh, I have a feeling this is going to be a real sticky mess. You didn't even see. It wasn't so bad. One down, 49 more to go. To cut this angle out right here. This is going to be a pain in the butt, but I think I got a decent technique that's going to work very quickly. There you go. That's pretty darn close if you ask me. Boop. So what I did is I held it up as close this way, and then I made a little notch all the way over. I made a little notch right here, and then I put it down here and pushed it all the way up and made a little notch on it over here, and then the same over there, and then I just kind of cut it all up. Hey guys! Ow! 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 Why? No! Ow! Don't do that! Ow! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Be gentle! Oh dear! What are you doing back there? You ever gonna come over? What's wrong with that guy? Here. Ooh. Excuse me. No, 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 no. That's for later. You come back tomorrow, okay? Maybe just a little bit more. Maybe just a little bit more, okay? But you can't bite my knees or my toes. No, 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 sir. No, ma'am. No, sir. No, ma'am. No, sir. No. No. I give you an inch and you take a mile. Go on. Now you're just being overbearing. Excuse me. Come get your crew. Yeah, it's time for them to go. I love you, but you got to go. Yep, that's exactly what I told you not to do. That hurts. That's my toe. That's my toe. That's my toe. I'm gonna have to get you more of these things, huh? What else do you guys like? Pretty much anything, right? Since you're eating my toes. I'm getting a little close. Ow, ow, ow. Wow. Wow. Really? Really? Yeah. Okay. Time to go. Bye. You've had enough. See you later. Au revoir. Adios. Don't make me go get Bentley. Look, everybody's leaving too. See? Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Scrubbing my butt off trying to get this sticky adhesive that has now worked its way on top of the paneling and or whatever you want to call them, vinyl planks. And I've tried, let's see, I've tried rubbing alcohol, I've tried orange cleaner. Neither of that has worked, so I have resulted in using good old Goo Gone, and this stuff has worked great so far. I tried a little spot, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this section right back here had a lot of the adhesive on it. I'll show you what it looked like before. See all this little spots here? This is all, that's all adhesive and sticky glue. So I'm waiting for that to dry a little bit more. It's got some oil in it, so I'm assuming it might not dry all the way, or it'll stay kind of glossy like that, but I'll do an update here in about another 10 minutes. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, that stuff is gone. It is still gone. The goo is gone. So I am going to redo the rest of this floor, and I will check back at you at the end. You guys, I'm sure you probably didn't catch it, but as soon as I started, I set the bottle down and I accidentally kicked it over with my foot, so I spilled Goo Gone all over the floor. I wasn't initially planning on, you know, mopping the floor with the stuff, but that's just the way it turned out. So here, let me show you what it looks like. Woo-wee, look at that sheen. Shining bright like a diamond. I don't dare walk on that. Slip and bust my ass. I'll show you what it looks like in about 10 minutes when it's all dry. Okay, so it's a little bit darker in here now because it's about ready to dump buckets outside, but it turned out pretty good. I'm liking it. I actually had to go over it with a Swiffer, and because it was still a little oily or whatnot, but now it's good and everything is gone. All the adhesive is gone, and it turned out really, really nice. I'm super happy with it. So let's get my new rug down and show you the finished product. What's up, guys? I am down here at the laundromat doing my laundry right now, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you have any suggestions on what type of content you'd like to see me do, let me know down below. If you want to see more camper content, if you want to see more tiny house content, or I love to go to different Airbnbs, more DIY projects, anything, let me know down in the comments. And I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you all next Sunday.